What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Hopefully you guys had a great Independence Day yesterday here. Fireworks weren't the only things exploding and coming crashing back down. So was the cryptocurrency market here. Surprisingly, even when the stock market was closed, yesterday being Thursday, markets were closed for the 4th of July here, but crypto was extremely active, and I was actually watching us correct to the downside here at quite a rapid rate on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. I'm quite shocked, although I can't say I'm surprised, really. We knew volume was coming. We were hoping for it to be obviously to the upside here, but we knew volume was coming here. We pretty much came to the end. You could see we left off pretty much talking about how we've come to practically the bottom of bull flag formations here, descending fractals. You can see the past two videos we've drawn kind of this descending fractal, lower high, lower low, descending broadening wedge. We have a descending fractal here coming to basically the bottom of the market for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. We were hoping for a run to the upside here, but we knew that the markets had to make a decision as of this week, and we saw that very early here, which is pretty incredible. Unfortunately, to the downside here, we were still able to grab a tiny bit of profit into today, but I don't know how much longer it's going to last. Reason being, obviously, we're going to be looking at Solana, we're going to be looking at XRP, we're going to be looking at Ethereum here, Bitcoin, and then wrapping things up with the S&P 500. Now, with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Remember, guys, to head on over to FAIRDESK and check out FAIRDESK with the link down in the description below here. FAIRDESK as well as BYDFI are giving some really cool giveaways away. You might as well take advantage of the free crypto that's being offered on all these different exchanges. You can see FAIRDESK right here is giving away up to 100K to those whales out there, and even smaller amounts, 100, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, so on and so forth, to people that deposit and trade on their exchange. It's free crypto. You can claim the bonus and then take your money right back out. It's super easy. Same thing goes with BYDFI with that link down in the description. Double rewards as well as a VIP rate with lower trading fees, which is also super cool. Like I said, link down below for both of these pages here. Anywho, moving forward and into today's video here, lots of these cryptocurrencies are falling. We knew that. We said yesterday or 2 days ago here that things are getting pretty wild. We had a beautiful descending fractal here. Now that we broke through it, it pretty much doesn't even apply anymore here. Unless we somehow manage to reverse right back out of this here, crazy things are going to have to be readjusted on the markets here. Like, are we more so in some fractal downwards here? Are we breaking up? I don't know. This is a huge dump. And we said we were going to see massive volume slide us lower if we close below here. We are stuck between a rock and a hard place. We have a resistance and we have a floor here. And we discussed clear as day that within this descending fractal, coming off 5 weeks of bear market, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on week 6 of just correction here, we discussed that if we were to drop, if we were to close below this resistance here, we would pretty much fall off a cliff. It's like a bridge, and there's a troll on it trying to push us off. And you can see we did that, and that was that opportunity last night. I mean, we had an opportunity to buy in. It was definitely very aggressive on Wednesday here, but Thursday was really that one that really sent us over the edge. This was that buy-in opportunity right here to short. I don't think we're going to be going that much lower, though, so I'd keep that in mind, and then I think we're going to be able to get in on a reversal here for different reasons. We said, and I said it before, conservatively, if we close below yellow band, we can short. And that was an opportunity right here. Now, I know it was close to the line, but we also had the clear confirmation last night of closure right here to buy in and short to the downside. We fell all the way to 38 cents here, so get those stop losses tight because I don't think we're going to be going much lower. Reason being is if I scale this out, look where we're receding up to. Check this out. We are still within a very large descending broadening wedge. I don't know where that bottom is. We can draw an Elliott impulse wave here to see how many points of contact there are. Kind of like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know if there's a fifth here just yet, but you can see kind of with this correction what exactly is going on here. And I think we're reaching a bottom fairly soon. But you can see just with scaling this downtrend out a bit lower with multiple points of confirmation here, the fact that we fell back to the support is no surprise. I mean, we kind of do these stair-stepping patterns consistently here. So the fact that we're doing it again isn't really surprising to me. We knew that we had a floor. We knew that we had a resistance. We knew that we are getting sandwiched into here, and we needed to make a decision whether that was going to be breaking up or down. We chose down. It is what it is. Good thing is, for those that maybe missed out on this run to the downside here, it's not too late. And that's because we're probably going to be reversing back up in the very near future, or at least consolidating forwards. But I think with this major drop being that we are now trading at, what is this, 24 on the relative strength indicator, big opportunity for a swing back up to here. Again, still not a bad look though, because we're still trading with an XRP inside of a beautiful descending broadening wedge. So it's not like we broke out of a technical indicator or out of a technical pattern that now throws us for a loop. No, because we still have that opportunity for that reversal here. There still is eye-opening opportunities for correction or swings to the upside, because there's still a technical indicator pattern that we can use to better gauge where this market is. Now, obviously, we took advantage of this opportunity on BYDFI, one of the #1 cryptocurrency exchanges out there in the markets here. There's lots of other ones that are very close, and that's why I don't, put all my eggs in one basket here. But BYDFI definitely has huge opportunities to be able to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, capitalize on XRP right here. They even have more welcome rewards bonuses, as well as a demo trading account, which I really like. So for those newbies or beginners, or just people that want to, keep, your tools sharp, you can do so by using BYDFI here. They give you $50,000 of Monopoly money, demo money, to test your skills with the platform, get familiar. Then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live account. They also have over 2K in free rewards by clicking on these tasks here, which is also really, really, really cool. So check out BYDFI down in the description below. Anywho, moving forward from the drop here, which I think is going to start to see reversal, so a good buy-in opportunity today, or maybe even tonight, for this reversal is pretty big. Usually after major sell-offs, we reverse up. So I'm excited to see that. And if we see this actually start to head lower here, I might buy in for a long, because I don't think it's going to last. And it's super early. It's 9 a.m. Good chance if we start heading lower, we can buy in for a short, because we are so undervalued. I mean, check it out with Solana here. Yeah, Solana had a major rejection point off moving average. Wasn't able to break through it. That's okay. And you can see now we're bottoming off on a floor as well as this downtrend here. And there's a good chance we might bounce off and head up higher here. There's a very good chance, actually. So to see the rejection is not something I'd worry about, because I do believe a lot of these points are still in a very good position to reverse up. Same thing goes with Ethereum here. Very good position to reverse up as well. Now, Ethereum did break huge outside this descending fractal here. I'm actually very surprised. We did go below. I thought at least we'd get to this uptrend here. We actually broke below it here. I'm shocked. I don't think it's going to last. I think something really triggered these markets to sell off. We go to Bitcoin news. Maybe we'll get those answers here. But you can see Mt. Gox creditors may have to wait before 3 months. German MP urges government to stop hastily Bitcoin sell-off. Crypto bulls rack up 580 million liquidations as Bitcoin drops 8%. Fed's critical warning sparks Bitcoin's serious $50,000 price crash alert. They're saying this is the information here. Let's see what they're saying. Fed's critical warning sparks serious 50K Bitcoin price crash as alert as 200 billion is wiped from the Ethereum, XRP, and Solana crypto market here. Quite interesting here. They're saying it's because of, where did we go? The level of debt, May Treasury, serious warning over the spiraling 34 trillion. Bitcoin and crypto stock markets trade closely with the Fed for signs it will begin cutting interest rates here, getting on the balance monetary, This is a key level for Bitcoin miners. Last month, the Federal Reserve, Powell left deflationary. A softer than expected job report, so on and so forth here. The higher for longer interest rate environment has triggered a warning for analysts here. I don't know. Whatever the reason is, in good part, in my opinion, the Fed policies have worsened the debt. I am not an economist, but keeping interest rates high increased the cost of U.S. debt. I don't know. It's very interesting. I don't believe that's why. I think they just obviously throw out an article the same time that comes out here. But I'm still in a strong believer that we are going to see a reversal. I'd ignore Ethereum for right now. Focus XRP and Solana. Bitcoin too, because if we extend Bitcoin's downtrend here, we actually look pretty good. Because yet again, we're inside this downtrend here, and we didn't break above it. So it's quite interesting the way these charts like to align themselves. Extend this down as well. I don't think this is as accurate. I don't think it's as accurate though. So I'm gonna leave it like this for right now here. And you can see within this downtrend, we are holding up to support here. So main focus is XRP actually and Solana here. The other cryptos look okay. I'm in disbelief that the stock market headed even higher up. So I am waiting for a correction with that as well here. But otherwise, the markets do look good. Even though we had this short opportunity, even though we were able to profit off this drop here, I think XRP might see a rebound. So if we either A, get below here later today, or B, close here, there's a good chance we could buy in with a potential swing back to the upside here. So I'm excited. Anywho, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.